So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment 5G wireless standard design week second assignment second. So, the first question is the number of slots per subframe in a 5G system that has a subcarrier spacing of 30 kilohertz. So, answer of first question is 2 slots. Now, the second question is which protocol layer is responsible for coding and modulation in 5G NR? So these are the option: packet data convergence protocol, physical layer, radio link control, medium access control. So the answer of our second question is B, physical layer. Now the third question is calculate the CRC for a 16-bit transport block, and these are the binary number if the generator polynomial is d की power 4 plus d की power 2 plus 1. So these are the options 0101, 1101, 1111, 1010. So the answer of third question is A, 0101. Now the fourth question is what is the best approach to maintain a link when UE experiences sudden drop in SNR? So these are the options: decrease the code rate, increase the code rate, modify CRC polynomial with same degree as before, increase transport block CRC length. So the answer of our fourth question is A, decrease the code rate. Now the fifth question is in a 5G system, if transport block size of the PDSCH signal is 17,192 bits, then calculate the code block size for the given transport block length. Note, use the lifting size table for the calculating. So this is the table and the answer of our fifth question is 7040. Now the sixth question is in 5G transceiver chain, which functional block remove the null bits? So these are the options: CRC addition, code block segmentation, LDPC decoding, rate matching. So the answer of our sixth question is D, rate matching. Now the seventh question is which one of the following scheduling algorithm is greedy? Round robin multi-user scheduler, proper proportional fair multi-user scheduler, random resource multi-user scheduler, max rate multi-user scheduler. So the answer of our seventh question is D, max rate multi-user scheduler. Now, eighth question is which function block in the 5G transceiver chain is designed to mitigate burst errors? So these are the option: interleaver, LDPC coding, rate matching, scrambler. So the answer of our eighth question is interleaver. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.